Atomium Vlog Day 2.
Does each ball have something in it? Yeah. Like restaurant, and the other one is a gym, and the other one is a office. There's a hotel. Oh, see guys? Capsule. This is the Kuya Kim Atienza of Belgium. Listen carefully. Oh, we will cross the street. See, there's a thank you for visiting. Welcome to Antonio. Okay. Now, see guys, this is one of the landmarks in Brussels. Oh yes, my fridge magnet. You know guys, for your information, I am collecting fridge magnets in each places I visit. Oh, Atomium, welcome. Atomium, welcome. Oh, you can see me. I'm gonna take photo ako, be. Oh, sige, ikaw, sa tunga. Oh, this is nice. Okay, we're going to the middle of the street. I don't know where we're going because we want to take a photo in the middle of the zoo. Atomium, you know, that one. Atom, yum. Atomium. Yeah, those are my friends. See, they're enjoying themselves. Look at them. They're so excited. They look so excited. So this is what I meant, the middle, so you can take a look at my girlfriend. See? So you can take a whole grasp of the photo all in one. See? Okay, first friend in line. First friend. I'll go here. And the very effort friend photographer. The supportive but very not so supportive friend. Oh, pak, Aura. Aurahin mo yan. Yes, that's it. Do it. Do it, girl. A. Slay. Slayable. Okay na, Ate Riri. Okay, slay it, Ate Riri. Come on. Give us some smile. Give us a pose to die for. Oh, effort friend. Look at her. Alright. Oh, it's me, guys. Oh, my gosh. Cheers. Okay, okay. Murag dili. Ano kanina? Sakit ulo pose. Islog na lang kita na babay, anak. Nadyan siya. Wala si auntie ko pa siya ako. Ay, sorry. That's one supporting friend. Yes. Sa muka. Anong cute naman taniyo. Ang jalog naman. Yes. Natulog na noon. Okay, next is our friend. One of our tour guides here. Pak, give us an aura, give us a pose. Alright, that's it. Oh, lovely. Oh, the sister Pak. Oh, Pak. Alright, come on, give us a cutie face. Oh, that's lovely. Alright, come on, the brother is... Yes, he is from here. So, this is his place. And that's his Atomium. Oh, look at him. He feels like he is being forced.